Alright, so we got some packages today. Bought some stuff for the A6. This right here is a Jegs Fender rolling tool. And then from here over is a set of WERKS coilovers. So we're going to be unboxing everything today, look at everything. We're going to assemble this, take everything out of here, see what we got, and then probably maybe Wednesday I'll upload the video of installing them and how to roll your fenders and all that stuff. But today we're just going to unbox everything. So this is the fender rolling tool here. We're going to open this one up. I think it comes with directions. Kind of shitty. Alright, so this is what you're going to get in the box. This one looks like it's been used and returned. You know, it's got like a couple little nicks and scratches on it. It's got like a scuff on the side here. And then this piece has some bigger scuffs. I mean, I don't really care. It does not matter to me. It'll do the job. So that's more what I'm concerned about. So then we got this, which is your handle for the tools. You got another little handle here. I think that's all that comes in the box. Yeah. So this here bolts to your wheel hub assembly, and then this piece goes into here. I'm not sure how it goes. Yeah, it goes like this. This piece goes into here. This piece here bolts to your wheel hub, and it'll spin back and forth like this. And then on the top here, you have this composite wheel, which is gonna press against your fender, and it's gonna roll it out. As you roll this back and forth, you're gonna turn this lever, it goes in here, and you turn it and it brings this wheel farther out, putting pressure against the fender, and it rolls it, which means it pushes the fender out. Or you could use it just to roll the inner lip of your fender up so it doesn't touch the tire. In my case, I'm probably gonna have to roll the fenders out a little bit. So, looks like it's in good condition. Like I said, it's just got some scratches on it. I don't really care, it doesn't matter to me. So, I'm gonna put it all together, and then I'm gonna open up all the coilover boxes. So this is what it looks like all assembled. The bar on and everything. And it comes with 5 of these. This is what you get if you buy like the better quality kit, which is the Jegs one. I mean, they had them on Amazon, and I think they were like floating around like the $40 to $50 mark. This one was $84, and then with tax and shipping ended up being I think $105. But I'm probably gonna end up using this more than once, so it was worth it to me. Like I said, it came with all 5 of these little things here. So the cone of your lug nut goes into here, and the flat side goes onto here. So when you put your lug nuts in here, you don't mark up this metal and then, you know, gouge your lug nuts out. So got all 5 of them. So it seems to be a pretty nice kit. And just looking at it now, I think you can take this pin out and swap it to this hole to get more angle out of it. So overall, it seems pretty nice. We're gonna see how it works probably on Wednesday, and I'll upload a video about that. Alright, so we'll start with the smallest box first. This, yeah, I think this is just the spanner wrenches and something else. Let's see, we got some maybe instructions in here. Yeah. Got some WERKS stickers. Waterproof lubricant, that's always good. So in this box we got our 2 spanner wrenches. This is used for adjusting the coilovers once they're in the car and you want to adjust your ride height. And directions, won't need those. I'm not going to take this off yet, but it's got a nice bump stop on it. And then this is just a cover. This doesn't come with the upper mounts, so you have to reuse them off of the mounts that are on the car already. So when we take the OEM struts or the OEM shocks out, I'll have to swap them over. So this is the other box. I'm not gonna bother opening it. It looks the same as the other one, but there is 2 of them. So now we're gonna start with, we'll go with this box here. Let's see what we got. Alright, this is the front strut. It's got your helper spring here, 2 adjusting rings. This is the spring ring and this is the lock ring. And how it works is you take your spanner wrench and it locks into one of these holes and around, and you can turn it back and forth. And the reason they give you 2 of them is because you have to have 2 on each one at once, and you pull them opposite each other, so this one tightens against this one and it locks it in place for moving up and down while the car is, you know, driving down the road, once you get it adjusted to where you want it. And this here is just a helper spring. The upper spring is right here, which I believe goes on this way. Yeah, just like that. I got these on sale for $5.50, which, you know, for in the coilover world, it's really nothing. I wasn't looking to spend $1,000 on some BC Racing coilovers. This was good enough for me. They look pretty nice. I don't see what there really could be wrong with them. I'm happy with them, so all that matters. Should be our rear springs. Yes. These are the rear springs. Not much to them. And I think, yeah, here we go. So these are the rear adjusters. This is how you adjust your ride height. This here sits on the control arm in the factory position. And then instead of just being like a rubber mount, it has this whole threaded section which you can adjust this piece up and down, and you have this spring. I think I got it the wrong way. The spring sits on it, and you can adjust up and down, you know, how far the coilover is from the bottom of the car. So that's how you adjust the rear. Same deal, use a spanner wrench, but this one doesn't have a locking ring on it. I'm sure they have a reason for that. Maybe you don't need it in the rear, who knows. So that's pretty much all that comes in the kit. It's just, you know, everything you need except the mounts and all that stuff, but to be expected. You have to swap the front mounts and the rear mounts, but that's no big deal. As long as you have a spring compressor kit, you can do it. I'm pretty sure I do. If not, I'll have to go get one. They're not bad, but basically just like 2 claws that clamp over the spring and then compress it. And you're going to need one of those, especially for the front, to get the mounts out. For the rears, you can always put, you know, a floor jack under the control arm and then let it down nice and easy. So I'll figure something out. But that video will come out Wednesday, and then maybe in about 2 or 3 weeks after installing them, I'll come out with a review video of how I like the ride quality and all that stuff. But for now, that is everything. And the fender rolling video will be coming out at the same time as the coilover video, because I'm going to have to do them in the same shot, because my wheels are pretty aggressive. They stick out a little bit more than I think is going to work with that car. So that's it.